Hey, it's Sean and welcome back to Journey Alberta. Today, we're going to be unboxing a gear pack. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Gear Pack Survivorman Special Edition Ultimate Box. So if you haven't heard of Gear Pack, what it is a monthly subscription box. You pay a certain amount of money, which I'll get into later, and they send you a box with, you don't know what's in it. It's kind of a mystery, so it's kind of fun. I'm going to get into it now. We got first here a little card that lists what's in the basic box, which is $24.99, the basic plus, which is $49.99, the advanced box, which is $99.99, and the ultimate box, which is $149. This is the ultimate box, so it has every single thing in it. And it says on here what the values of each thing that's in here and the total value per box. So like for some boxes, some of the stuff is it's pretty cool. And for this one, it looks like all the stuff in here is pretty cool. But even though I can see it right here, I'm going to leave it a mystery for you until we get through it. So, you got a bunch of packing fiber and stuff right here, which is great for fire starter. I always like to use that. Okay, what do we got here first? First on the list, we've got a sticker, Survivorman sticker. Little thing for Les Stroud's Survivorman TV. You can check that out. Survivorman, it's smtvnetwork.com. Check that out, it's pretty cool. Okay, there's the plane going over. What do we got here? Where's the first item? Okay, so in the basic, you get Survivorman Season 6 DVD. Let's see if I can find this other thing in here. Throw this down here. All this. And you also get in the basic the Les Stroud Survive. It's a really handy book. Essential skills and tactics to get you out of anywhere alive. So that's the second thing that's in here. That is the basic box right there. That's what comes in the basic. So the basic plus adds all that. And wow, this is cool. A Camillus Ultimate Survival Tools, Les Stroud SK Engage, a multi-tool basically. See that? That's pretty cool. Ooh, I'm excited to get this open and test it out. Thing to note with Gear Pack is the basic plus, which is the $49.99 box, always comes with a knife. So like that's pretty good value. I didn't say it before, but the value of the basic box is $54.44, and it only costs 25 bucks. Now for this one, the basic plus, which includes this multi-tool, costs $49.99, and the total value is $104.43. So it's more than double the value, so that's pretty good. This thing also comes with a nylon sheath, LED flashlight and whistle, and a fire starter, kind of similar to the Les Stroud mountain knife that I've been using a lot lately. I don't know if you have seen it in my videos, but I did do a review on that one, and I really like it. Alright, so let's get into the advanced box. The advanced box comes with another DVD, Survivorman and Son. These are some really cool episodes that Les Stroud Survivorman went out with his son Logan, and survived with his son. Kind of a cool dynamic that they had going on in some of the episodes. I've seen them, but I don't own them, so I'm really happy for that. And there's also what comes in the advanced box is the biggest thing in this box. Whoa. Wow. It is the Camillus Vigor Hatchet. This is huge. Holy crap. Also comes with a Flint Striker. Custom sheath. Has a hammer on the back. Right there. Chisel on top. That's neat. And so this box costs $100, and the total value of it is $201.91. Like, so that's double again, basically, a little more than double. It's pretty good value. And the ultimate box. Every month, the ultimate what comes in it is a high quality knife. And another high quality knife in this one. Let's get it out of here. It is the Camillus Blackfoot. Now this knife is actually fairly similar to the Lestrade, or the Camillus Lestrade mountain knife that I've been using for a while, but this is like the more updated model, and I kind of actually have wanted it for a bit too, because they're both cool knives. They both look a little different. And this one, once again, comes with a little survival kit in the sheath, as you can see. So I'm assuming, oh, I can see right here. It's full tang, fire starter notch, just like the other one. The steel pommel, I love that. It's got the whistle and flashlight, fire starter, signal mirror, little compartment, sharpener, 12-inch paracord wrapped around the sheath, as you can see right there. The signal mirror, I think I mentioned that. And it comes with a trimming knife as well, a small little knife. So if you were, if you caught small game or something, you could use that knife, or for anything else, you'd use a small knife. This is cool. Oh, I really like these handles as well, I just wanted to say, because these handles are really ergonomic, they're rubberized, so they feel really, really good in your hands. So it looks like they rectified my main complaint with this knife compared to the Lestrade mountain knife that I have currently, and is that there was plastic in the handle and I didn't really like it. It looks like they took that out and made the whole thing rubberized, so I really like that. So the total cost of the ultimate box is $149.99, and the total value that you get, everything here, is $279.90. Well, that's a hell of a deal. Wow. I'm really happy with this box. Like, I've really wanted, especially the Vigor Hatchet for a while, and it's been a little harder to find at a more reasonable price, but now I get it included in this, and having a good multi-tool like this one, it's great. And although I have seen all these episodes of Survivorman before, I know for a fact my wife hasn't, so I'm going to be sitting her down. We're going to be watching all of these with each other to make for some fun nights. Yeah. Before I go, I want to quickly say that this video is in no way sponsored by Gear Pack. I thought it would be cool to open it on the channel here because I do a lot of hiking, camping, day trips, that kind of stuff, so it kind of fits into what I like to do and what I go out and do. If you want to check out Gear Pack, go to gearpack.ca. You can get 20% off of your first order. A little pop-up comes on the screen, and then you can get 20% off your first order. So it's kind of cool. I recommend checking it out, as I've done, this is my second one now. I've got another one coming next month, and I haven't been disappointed by it so far. It's been good gear that I've been able to use, and if I haven't been able to use it, it's because I already own too much of it, like knives. I own a lot of knives, and I'll give some of it to my wife. So check it out. Until then, I'll see you next week.